Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you install your Chromecast on a Samsung TV. So here's a guide for plugin setup and cast from phone. Firstly, you need to plug in the Chromecast. Connect the Chromecast to an available HDMI port on your Samsung TV. Step 2. Connect the power. Plug the Chromecast power cable into a wall outlet or supported USB power source. Step 3. Select the HDMI input. Use the Samsung remote to choose the HDMI port where Chromecast is connected. Step 4. Set up Chromecast. On your phone, you can install or open the Google Home app and select Setup Device and go to New Device. Step 5. Connect to Wi Fi. Follow the instructions to connect Chromecast and your phone to the same Wi Fi network. Step 6. Start casting. Open a compatible app such as YouTube or Netflix. Tap the cast icon and select your Chromecast. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.